Welcome to the Wi-Tek Solution channel. Today, we will explore Wi-Tek's POL solution for mega projects. POL, Passive Optical Line, is the next-generation network infrastructure, using full fiber optical to replace traditional Ethernet, and expand the capability of larger-scale Internet project construction. We will explore this POL solution following these four parts: solution introduction, network architecture, product recommendations and key features, and bill of materials. First, let's explore the introduction of the POL solution. Here is the comparison between a traditional network and a POL network. A traditional network consists of three layers: the access layer for the PoE switch, the aggregation layer for the fiber switch, and the core layer for the secure gateway. While the POL network consists of three layers: access layer for MDU, multi-dwelling unit, aggregation layer for POS, passive optical splitter, and core layer for OLT, optical line terminal. Next is the cost comparison between the traditional network and the POL solution. The POL solution saves cost for the aggregation layer device, and no need for an air conditioner. The total cost of the POL solution saves around 50% when a project needs to install 200 IP cameras and 50 APs. Comparing the BOM of two networks, the POL solution doesn't need any air conditioners in weak current rooms, and the aggregation layer passive optical splitters don't need to be powered up. Here is the comparison of the traditional network and POL. For management network equipment architecture, traditionally, you have three layers to manage, while POL just has two layers. Here are the demands of mega projects. The transmission distance of mega projects is within 20 kilometers. As for the condition, it requires optical fiber, electricity, and internet. The POL solution can be applied to scenarios such as large-scale hotels, holiday villages, general hospitals, smart campuses, villa clusters, and intelligent manufacturing parks. For function requirements, including cloud service, unified AP management, fast roaming, multi-WAN, VLAN tag binding SSID, captive portal, IPTV, and VoIP. Next, let's explore the network architecture. Here is the network architecture of mega projects. Using fiber optics for interconnection between each layer of devices, and the outdoor environment, choose our outdoor PoE switches. Using fiber optics, the maximum distance can reach up to 20 kilometers. Next, let's explore product recommendation and key features. Here are the POL product recommendation stars. The model WI-POL 308G-P is the access layer device for next-generation all-optical networks, offering 110 watts of PoE power budget for maximum, and complies with the ONVIF protocol for IP camera management on the Wi-Tek cloud. The model WI-POL 5800-08 is the core layer device, and complies with other brands' MDU. It features Layer 2, such as ACL, QoS, VLAN, STP, and Layer 3 functions such as IP routing, RIP, OSPF, ISIS, BGP, and VRRP protocols. POL products offer key features, including next-generation all-optical network, cloud management by the Wi-Tek cloud app or platform, 20 km transmission distance, energy and cost saving, TCO, total cost of ownership, and centralized OLT and cloud management, simplifying fault detection for simple maintenance. The next key feature is the USB solution for CCTV network, with features such as ONVIF detection, and eWeb connection for remote access and maintenance. For IP cameras, here are the specifications of indoor ceiling mount APs for Wi-Fi 6 access points. All can be chosen according to the actual demand for the project. The main difference is the wireless rate. Next are two models of Wi-Fi 6 outdoor models. You can choose between WI-AP316AX and WI-AP520AX-D based on the coverage area and wireless rate. The first key feature of APs is support two working modes, including fit mode and FAT mode. When AP works in fit mode, all needs to be configured by the access controller. As for FAT mode, it has full functions, and it's an idea for home and small networks, supports access and routing functions. The next feature is multiple SSIDs, bind SSIDs for guests to isolate and secure access to your home network. Next is gateway recommendation. The model WI-AC150 and WI-AC500 are 2-in-1 designed, include gateway and access controller functions. The model WI-AC500 is recommended in 3 stars, and manages up to 500 APs. Next are the key features of the gateway. Our gateway has built-in AC and can automatically discover all fit mode APs, simplifying device integration. Unified configuration and management of APs, enhancing network efficiency. And enables zero configuration AP access for quick wireless network deployment. The second key feature is fast roaming, featuring the 802.11k protocol, providing AP location information for faster scanning. 802.11v protocol for guiding devices to the best AP using network status, and 802.11 are protocol to enable fast, secure AP handoff with key retention. Next is the step of configuring fast roaming. Just follow these steps on the user interface, and you can enable the fast roaming function. Next are authentication methods. Using the gateway, you can set multiple authentications, including web, local, radius, and SMS authentication. And you can also set a customized authentication pop-up for advertisement push. Also, support flexible control of user authentication and internet access. Next are the link features for the gateway. The gateway offers multi-WAN ports for cost saving, load balancing, and backup. Bandwidth aggregation for reducing fiber costs. On the gateway, you can also set intelligent traffic balancing for optimized bandwidth and line backup. Our gateway also supports OpenVPN, PPTP, and L2TP for data encryption and security. Enabling secure, high-speed VPN communication between branches, headquarters, and remote employees. Except for traditional VPNs, our gateway offers a software-defined network for LAN, enabling cross-region internet access. Ideal for chain enterprises connecting branches to headquarters via cloud-based SD-LAN. It replaces VPN for secure, efficient internet access. Even this SD-LAN function can be operated without requiring a public IP address. Here is the outdoor PoE switch recommendation. The model WI-PCES309GF-O is Easy Smart Outdoor PoE Switch, a cost-effective cloud management switch for outdoor environments. The model WI-PCMS310GF-O version 2 is a Layer 2 management outdoor PoE switch. Outdoor PoE switches provide reliable performance in outdoor environments with features such as waterproof enclosure, cloud management, -30°C to 60°C operating temperature, and 4 kV surge immunity, 6 kV or 8 kV ESD protection. The first key feature of the outdoor PoE switch is the all-in-one waterproof enclosure design. It provides customers with cost-effective and simple CCTV and WLAN outdoor network solutions. The next key feature is remote management and configuration on the cloud. On the Wi-Tek cloud, you can operate remote monitoring and base port configuration and receive alarm notifications for your project anywhere and anytime. To meet the demands of the outdoor environment, the outdoor PoE switch has unique values such as extend mode, PoE restart, ONVIF detection, and alarm notification. The next key feature is the independent smart dip switch. Through one simple dip switch, you can finish the configuration of your switch. The working mode can be configured to include extend mode, VLAN mode, and PD alive mode. Outdoor PoE switches are also equipped with high PoE power output that makes them more compliant with PoE-powered devices and more flexible for project adaptation. At last, let's explore the bill of materials. Here is the BOM of the mega projects. The quantity of access layer MDUs depends on all terminals that directly connect to the MDU. The total equipment model, quantity, and design principles can be changed according to the actual situation of the project. Thank you for watching this episode of Wi-Tek Solution Channel. If you find our content helpful, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay updated with more exciting content. Your support is our motivation to keep updating. We look forward to seeing you in the next video.